Meaning of endeavor.
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 Endeavor. The word endeavor means to make a sincere effort or attempt to achieve a goal, often in the face of obstacles or challenges. It entails demonstrating determination and perseverance towards a desired outcome. The result of an endeavor can vary widely, but it generally reflects the extent to which one has put forth their best effort. Whether the endeavor is successful or not, the process of endeavoring often leads to personal growth and learning, as the individual gains valuable experience and insights that can be applied to future pursuits.